We do have a new flash badge. This one just got released on the abstract portal. As you can see here, we got 7 days time. There's also a lot of updates that I want to cover in this one here. We got new tiers. I got the experience points update and something very important, the two-factor authentication, because some people have been drained in the last couple of days. So this is something that can prevent this, and I'm gonna show you how. GM and welcome to part 43 of the abstract series here on my channel. Of course, we're gonna dive into how to get the new flash badge. We're gonna do this together, but first of all, I want to show you that we now have the different tiers. I'm gonna show this here because I already revealed this for me. If you log in back into the abstract portal, then you can see the newest experience points update, which was one of the best so far for me. And I'm gonna go into detail how I got those experience points. Before, for example, last week it was only 8,500. Now it's almost 15,000. Gonna go into detail in a bit. But what we do now have is the update for the tiers. We now have sub-tiers for each category, for silver, for gold, for platinum, and so on. As you can see, I'm on the gold 1 tier. It's how it's called right now. It's a bit counterintuitive because if you notice from gaming, usually it goes from gold 3 to 2 to 1, and then you're getting ranked up to platinum where you start with 3. They did it the other way around. So once you hit gold, you're on gold 1. And for me, there's 150,000 experience points left until I hit gold 2. Then I will hit gold 3 with another almost 500k. And then I'll hit platinum 1. So this is something new. I think that's great that you can now see sub tiers, because that keeps you motivated, because it was kind of demotivating if you see 1 million experience points, or for some, I think platinum is 10 million, 100 million to get there. Takes a long time depending on how much funds you have on chain or how active you are. So this makes a lot of sense. Before we come to how I got the experience points and the new flash badge, let's quickly review the two-factor authentication feature, because a lot of people have been drained, and this is something that can be super easily set up. If you go to my wallet and then go to the settings here, you can see 2FA with an authenticator app recommended. Secure your account with verification code from an authenticator app. And this is super simple. You can do this on iOS or on Android. Just download a authenticator app. For example, the Google Authenticator works on both iOS and Android. It's super simple to use. Just download it from the official Google Play Store or from the App Store. Make sure it's the correct and original app. Then you can scan the QR code here on abstract. Then it shows you abstract and a number that is being changed, I think every 30 seconds or 60 seconds. And you then type this number in here. And then every time you do a transaction or anything else in the abstract portal, you need to enter the number. This is annoying. If you want to do something quick, then this can be super annoying. You know this probably from banking apps and so on. But it keeps your funds way safer. This way, if someone gets access to your abstract global wallet, they also need your second factor, which is the number in your authenticator app. So please activate the two-factor authentication. This is super important if you have funds in here that you don't want to lose. It's not a 100% safety, but it makes it way more safer. Let's go to the new flash badge before I talk about how I got the experience points. Let's click view details. This flash badge is called the Speed Trader. This badge is awarded to those who open at least one Pengu trade on Speed Trade. View details, and then we go to app. I did not do this so far, so we're gonna do this. Candle charts show more price data, open, close, high and low. Try switching now. Okay, we did this. Click and expand the demo trading preview card to learn how demo trading works before you start. Let's hit it and try your first demo trade, long or short. Let's go short. It's going up, so P&L are negative. It's not too good. Let's hope it goes down, down, down. Now we're in the plus and we closed this. So position closed and we got $6.29. So this was the demo trading preview. Let's log in. Of course, wallet, we choose abstract. So we log in with our abstract global wallet and then enable one-click trading. What does that mean? Sign a gas-free transaction to generate your personal encrypted game key for secure trading. Inactivity for 3 weeks will require a game key reset. Your game key remains private, fully encrypted. You can read the terms of use here, and you can also put this back. And now this is what I show you. And now I gotta find my phone and continue the video to enter the verification code. Found my phone, and now I'm opening the Authenticator app of my choice. Go to abstract, and then this can be shown because this is always changing, so this number will not show up again. Once again, sign in, continue. Okay, set up successfully, and now fund the wallet for this. So you need to deposit 10 USDC, which is the minimum. We're gonna do this to try it out. So seems like this one is paid badge. Now here we go. Now we can see this. This is the 1 minute chart. And what we gonna do is set the leverage to 50, and let's see what we can do as a minimum if we go take profit at 100%. So this would be the lowest that we can go. Minimum amount is $2. Let's go with 2 then, and let's go short from here. Positions, processing. Apparently that's not really working right now. In case it does, I will cut it in how to claim. If it does not, you just go, you can reproduce this. This is a way to do it. Once the order is set, you can also close it and claim what's left. Either you won something or you lost something. Go here, refresh here, or do a hard refresh, and then you can claim. Apart from that, I got almost double the experience points from last week. There are several reasons for that. Once, there's more funds on chain now. I provided liquidity on Borean Finance. If you want a tutorial for that, just let me know. And I'm happy to do a tutorial on how to provide liquidity on a Borean Finance, which is basically, as Abstract themselves say, the liquidity layer of Abstract. Also, as you can see here, I now have the little Pudgy bonus. I also played a couple of games of Tollin Universe. I don't think it has so much impact yet, but it will next week, because I'm planning to maximize the 100,000 stamps. That then, this is not a 1-to-1 ratio to experience points, but the more stamps you have, the more experience points you get for playing Tollin Universe. And I get the feeling that if you max this out, and that's what I'm planning, that my experience points will be way higher, but this counts towards next week's rewards and not towards this week's rewards. So we will see the results there, but my estimate is that next week's experience points will again be way higher than the current ones. That's already it for this video here. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you need any deep dives on a Borean Finance, Tollin Universe, how to reach higher waves. And if you have success in claiming the speed trading badge, this is how you get there. But as you can see, it's still processing. They're having trouble right now because too many people are trying this out.